Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I am going to teach you unit 8.4, that's on page number 196, and the topic is The Miller of the Dee. This is a poem which has been written by Charles Mackay. Now, introduction to the poet. Charles Mackay has written the poem The Miller of the Dee. He was a Scottish poet, journalist, and author and songwriter as well. And he was born on 27 March 1814 and died on 24 December 1889. Before explaining you the poetry, let's discuss some of the difficult words and their meaning. The first one is dwelt, means lived, hale and bold, happy and healthy. Lark is a small cheerful bird which used to sing cheerful songs. Blithe means happy, carefree. यू मे से दैट इन सेंस के जो लोग खुश होते हैं और बेफिक्री की ज़िंदगी गुजारते हैं, ये उस खुशी से मुंसलिक है. एंड वाई टू गेट जेलस, रश को हसद हम जिसे कहते हैं. दाउ आर्ट यू आर, ये आर्काइक वर्ड है. जब हम आर्काइक वर्ड किसी को कहते हैं, इट मीन्स दीज आर दी ओल्ड फैशन वर्ड्स which were very common in old days, especially in poetries. In the same way, thee is also an archaic word and it means you. Thine means your. Doff, to put off cap in respect. किसी के रिस्पेक्ट में हैट उतारते हैं ना, उसे हम डॉफ कहते हैं. कोथ, सेट. ओ, टू बोरो, मकरूज होना. बोस्ट, पोजेशंस, एबिलिटीज़. यहाँ पे सरमाए की सूरत में जो है इस पोइट्री में यूज़ किया गया है. सरमाया खुशकिस्मती के मायनों में यूज़ हुआ है, राइट. साई, टू एमिट अ लॉन्ग ऑडिबल ब्रेथ. There dwelt a miller, hale and bold, beside the river Dee. Dee was a river that was in Scotland, where used to live a miller who was quite healthy and happy. He worked and sang from morn to night, and he remained busy doing his work, means running his windmill from morning to night. No lark more blithe than he, and this the burden of his song forever used to be. And he was compared, his happiness was compared with the lark, means even the lark was no so much happy and cheerful, but the miller was, which was shown in the words of his songs, and the words were, I envy nobody, no, not I. Means the miller was not jealous of anybody. Surely he wasn't, and nobody envies me. Not only that, the miller wasn't envious with anybody, nobody even was not jealous with him. Thou art wrong, my friend, said old King Hall. Thou art wrong as wrong can be. When King Hall passed through the mill and he listened the song of the miller, he said to the miller that he was wrong. He was totally wrong. For could my heart be light as thine, I would gladly change with thee. And he told the miller that if my heart was as light as yours, I would happily change my heart with you. And tell me now what makes thee sing with voice so loud and free. And asked the miller that what was the thing that made him so cheerful, which was making his voice so clear and tension free, while I am sad, though I am the king. He was a miller and he was happy. while Hall was a king and he wasn't happy. He was sad beside the river Dee. The miller smiled and doffed his cap. The miller gave a smile and put off his cap in respect and said, I earned my bread. I love my wife. I love my friend. I love my children three. He told that he remained busy in earning his bread, loving his family and friend. I owe no penny I cannot pay. And moreover, he told that he didn't borrow any amount that he couldn't pay. I thank River Dee. And he was thankful to the River Dee as well, that turns the mill that grinds the corn. Because the River Dee used to run his windmill and may give him or become his the source of grinding corn to feed my babes and me, to become the source of feeding his family and himself. Good friends, said Hall and sighed a while. Farewell and happy be. With a long breath, King Hall told goodbye to his friend, means the miller, but say no more, if thou didst say true, that no man envies thee. Moreover, he said to the miller, but for the next time, you don't have to say that no one is envious with you. Thy mealy cap is worth my crown. As his mealy cap means his cap that was full of dust of flour was more valuable than his crown, than the king's crown. Thy mill my kingdom's fee, and your mill is equal to my kingdom's value. Such men as thou are England's boast, and people like you are England's treasure. Means the able people, the successful people who are living their lives with so much happiness. O Miller of the Dee. And now, after getting this explanation class, you have to be prepared for online quiz. And for online quiz, you have to do preparation of the Miller of the Dee and the Child's Invocation. Hope you would have understood it clearly. Be prepared for online quiz. Have a healthy and blessed life. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.